In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Usercentrics Cookiebot consent banner on Webflow. Adding a consent banner to your website is an important part of improving user privacy and making visitors aware of how cookies are used on your site. With Usercentrics Cookiebot, you can easily display a professional cookie consent banner that allows visitors to manage their privacy preferences while browsing your Webflow website. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the setup process step by step so you can get everything working smoothly. To begin, open your project inside Webflow and wait for the designer to fully load. Once you're inside the editor, move over to the left side panel and click the Add button. This section contains all the elements and components you can place onto your website pages. Inside the Add panel, look for the Code Embed element. This feature allows you to insert custom scripts and external code directly into your Webflow project. Once you find it, drag the Code Embed element onto your page wherever you want the script to be added. As soon as you place it onto the page, a code editor window should automatically appear. Next, open a new browser tab and head over to Usercentrics Cookiebot. Sign into your account and wait for the dashboard to load completely. After logging in, look toward the left side menu and select the Implementation section. This area contains the setup instructions and embed scripts needed to connect Cookiebot to your website. Once you're on the implementation page, scroll down until you locate the Cookiebot Embed Script section. Here, you'll be given the option to choose between an auto-blocking consent banner or a manual blocking consent banner. Select the option that best matches how you want cookies to behave on your website. After making your selection, click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the embed script. Then, return to your Webflow project and paste the copied script directly into the Code Embed Editor window. This step connects your Webflow site to the Cookiebot consent system. When the script has been added successfully, save your changes inside Webflow and publish your website. Once the site goes live, the cookie consent banner will automatically appear for visitors accessing your pages. They'll be able to accept cookies or adjust their cookie preferences directly from the banner interface. You can also personalize the banner further by modifying its appearance, layout, and behavior within your Cookiebot dashboard settings. This makes it easier to match the banner design with your website branding and overall style. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.